In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses are constantly on the hunt for innovative tools to stay ahead. One such groundbreaking tool is ChatGPT, an advanced language model by OpenAI. The potential applications for ChatGPT in a business setting are vast, diverse, and transformative. Let's explore some of the different ways ChatGPT can be used to elevate your business. Draft email copy. Whether you're responding to a customer inquiry, reaching out to distributors, or sending out a newsletter, use AI to communicate your email message. Generate job descriptions. If you're looking to expand your team, you can use ChatGPT to write out job descriptions to help you land the perfect hire. Write out FAQs. Every business should have a set of FAQs to minimize support inquiries and to ensure a positive customer experience. Use ChatGPT to word your FAQs in a way that's informative and helpful for your customers. Decide on a domain name. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm different domain ideas for your business. Include details like the type of business you own, what you sell, and who your target audience is in the prompt. Proofread and optimize web copy. Have ChatGPT review your blog posts and other web copy. It will then suggest changes to make in order to fix mistakes and optimize the text for SEO purposes. Product descriptions. ChatGPT can help you craft the perfect product description. Compelling and persuasive product descriptions help to showcase your products and convince potential customers to make a purchase. Translate. With the capacity to understand multiple languages, ChatGPT can help translate web copy, social media captions, customer replies, and just about anything you can think of. Brainstorming. Save yourself time and lean on AI when brainstorming product ideas, blog post topics, upcoming promotions, contest ideas, and more. Ad copy. When creating ads to promote your products or services, use ChatGPT to write out ad copy. Edit it to your liking, and then set up and run your campaign. This is great for things like Facebook and Google ads. Social media calendar. Create a monthly calendar filled with social media posts by prompting ChatGPT to make a table filled with content ideas for each day. This will save you a ton of time when planning out your social media schedule. Social media captions. Writing out social media copy is very time-consuming. It can also be extremely repetitive. Prompt ChatGPT to generate a variety of different captions using your desired tone and length. Blog posts and articles. Need to draft a quick blog post? Provide ChatGPT with a topic and it can generate content that's both coherent and informative. You will want to go over and fine-tune the article, but at least you now have a base to work off of. Training modules. Use ChatGPT to design interactive training modules or quizzes. New recruits can interact with the model for initial queries or training support. Scheduling and appointments. Integrate ChatGPT with your calendar to have it schedule meetings and appointments, send reminders, or even draft minutes. Event planning. Looking for a unique event theme or venue for your next company event? ChatGPT might offer ideas or considerations you haven't thought of. You can also have a draft agenda created by describing the nature and purpose of your event. Leveraging the power of AI and tools like ChatGPT can help you scale your business faster than ever before. Use ChatGPT to augment your capabilities, and you'll unlock a world of potential for your business. To learn more about growing your business online, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our email newsletter for free resources and more.